Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today Linda and I are going to show you how to make a stir fry. Every vegetable here that's going to be used for a stir fry comes from my backyard garden. So here it goes. We're going to use yellow squash. These are French purple beans and a few snap peas. These are
peas.
They're peas. These are baby carrots. This is a sized zucchini. There was 3 of these zucchinis that make these little zucchini slices. These are celery. The sauce is going to be a combination of half a cup?
Quarter cup.
A quarter cup of Manfrotto soy sauce. A quarter cup of Bragg's liquid amino acid.
Acid? Mm-hmm. Amino acids.
Amino acids. A half cup of Walden Farms Italian dressing. It's calorie free. We're going to mix this all up. We're going to fry it on the stove top, and we're going to bring the camera so you can see it. So come and watch this video, and then you'll see a unique perspective of a vegan delicious meal.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
This is a wok. See how it's walking? Okay, never mind that. Anyway, because we don't use oil in a starch solution, these are onions that I've grilled. There's about 3 huge onions there. I diced it and pre-cooked it. So next thing we're going to do is turn on the heat. Alright, so the pan isn't hot, but we're going to put the carrots ahead of time so we can start that cooking. Well, look, you see I left a couple out. These baby carrots are just delicious from our garden. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the celery on top. Now we're going to let this cook for a while, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Now we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. Give it a chance to get warm, and then we'll add the other ingredients. Stir it a little bit. What you see here are Brussels sprout leaves. On a Brussels sprout, you have a plant. The Brussels sprouts go from the bottom, and on top of it are these leaves. They take quite a while to cook. You can see what I did is I cut them into strands. We're going to bury them inside of the onions, the celery, and the carrots. And the leaves taste like Brussels sprouts. If you're growing a Brussels sprout in your garden, not only do you get the Brussels sprouts and you enjoy with your family, but you can save the leaves and make all kinds of fun, interesting videos, or in this case, food recipes. We're going to give this a few minutes, and we're going to add the other ingredients. Now Linda is going to add some of the other ingredients. Where are the peas, honey?
Here come the peas. You try to add the ingredients in the order of how long they need to cook.
Here are the French beans and snap peas.
You see the French beans right now are purple. The French beans right now are purple. As they cook, they're going to turn green.
Here's the zucchini.
Here's our little baby zucchinis. Aren't they cute? They're just tiny little babies. That's the nice thing when you have a garden. You can harvest the baby veggies.
This is yellow squash. The reason we use the baby plants is they have less seeds, and then we can eat the entire plant instead of having to gouge out the seeds in between.
As the zucchini grow, then when they get really big and you use them for other purposes, then you have to take the seeds out.
If you have one as big as this, now this is different. It's going to have large seeds in it. Compared to this small one over here that's going to have very small seeds and barely noticeable seeds.
So I'm trying to get everything all mixed together so that everything can have a chance to cook. Remember, there's no oil in here. It's just simply the onions that are keeping everything from sticking at the bottom. I'll get the sauce.
Okay. Next, Linda is going to get the sauce. Considering Linda's still in a wheelchair, it's really nice that she's helping us out today. Linda has been cooking for me for 44 years. Well, it'll be 44 years this July.
July 2nd is our anniversary.
And I am just still a beginner cook.
Here's all the dressing ingredients mixed together. Gary's going to just pour it all around on the whole thing. Now the stir fry is almost done. The prep time is what, in getting the vegetables ready, takes the time. When you do the actual stir fry, when you have a sous chef who does it all for you, like Gary is, then all you do is just a quick little stir fry for 5-10 minutes.
I didn't show you the cutting of the carrots and so forth because you've seen me cut carrots before. I wanted to make it a short video where you could still enjoy me cooking in the kitchen.
And now we're going to turn off the heat because this stir fry is ready.
All right, now we're going to plate it and we're going to share with you.
What happened?
The leaves are sticking out like a spoon.
Gary gets the one with the leaves. He likes those the best.
I'll try not to give you too many leaves and then you can... Okay, so now we're going to show you what it looks like.
You can add all kinds of vegetables to a stir fry like this. You can add mushrooms, you can add whatever veggies you have on hand, and we're going to give it a taste.
Of course, I'm going to eat my leaves first. Oh, that's really good.
The sauce is just perfect. There's not too much and not too little. The onions are truly delicious. Here's one of the purple beans that's now turned green. I'll try and show it to you. It's right on the end of the fork there. All these veggies are tender crisp, just the way they're the most flavorful.
And the best part is that all of the plants in my garden are pesticide free. The bugs do eat some of them, but they are so gracious enough to have a few for demonstration purposes.
I want to test one of these baby carrots because they're so sweet.
So instead of putting these in freezer bags, I'm going to put it in this Rubbermaid container and eat it over the next 2 days. This is my second plate of this.
Oh, perfect.
Well,
Perfect.
We thank you for joining us on this Sunday while we cook this delicious meal for you all, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye-bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.